Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Office, click and expand Microsoft Version in number. Delete Word key. Close and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.